we have this ability to store files. It allows us to have a different folder and a different set of files for each channel or different workstream that we're working on. So this is what allows us to either drop files in here, create new files, add whatever content we want. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a demo Word document in there. And this allows us to have the file storage that we know everyone on the team is going to be able to have. As you can see, after I created the document, it opened up an editing environment for me within Teams. We want you to be able to do most of your work within Teams without having to go and switch to other applications. Now, we also understand that sometimes you might be wanting to work on this document and be able to do other things in Teams. So we do have the ability, if you wanted, to take this out and edit it in Word or Word Online. The beauty of using kind of our web editors within Teams is that this allows us to really bring in the capabilities that we want for co-editing. What you will see is that while I am working on this, I can now see that Barry is also editing. So this kind of takes away the whole, we're sending documents back and forth in email. The other nice thing about this is that many times you will be working on a document and you want to be able to have a conversation about the document. That's a lot of times how you're having email threads. With this document open, I actually say, start a conversation. And then, oh great, Barry has already replied back to this on this and says, hey, can we talk about this document? I can have the conversation here. And now what I have is this element that is kind of attached, not to the document, but it's within Teams that allows us to see how that document was created, the ways in which we were talking about it, the feedback that we had. Maybe if there was decisions being made around a policy document, you can understand why those decisions were made, and it gives you a contextual history of that document. We also have the ability of adding cloud storage, where we can point to Dropbox or Box or Google Drive. The one thing to call out there is that when you bring those capabilities into here, we are representing those documents, but we can't control the permissions on those documents. So if you add someone to the team, they hadn't have permissions, they may not be able to access those. But we can at least represent those documents here within Teams.